told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you...
Greetings to all aquarium enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel dedicated to the fascinating world of aquaristics. I am pleased to present you with fascinating and informative videos on various aspects of aquarium creation and care. To make sure you don't miss new exciting videos, tips, and updates, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button and activate notifications to stay up to date with my latest videos. It will be great to have you in our aquarium community. So let's get started on this exciting journey into the world of aquaristics. Let's go. The most popular aquarium fish in the United States can vary over time and can also depend on factors such as regional preferences and trends. However, some fish species have consistently remained popular among aquarium enthusiasts. Here are a few examples. 1. Betta fish. Betta fish, also known as Siamese fighting fish, are small and colorful freshwater fish that originate from Southeast Asia, particularly Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. They are popular aquarium fish due to their vibrant colors, long flowing fins, and unique personalities. Betta fish have a wide range of color variations including shades of red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and white. They have elaborate fins that can be either short or long, depending on the specific breed. The males, in particular, are known for their impressive finnage and intense colors. These fish are commonly recognized for their territorial and aggressive nature, especially male bettas. Males will often flare their fins and display aggressive behavior towards other males, which is why they are called fighting fish. Because of their aggressive tendencies, it is generally recommended to keep male bettas in separate tanks to avoid any conflict. Female bettas, on the other hand, are typically less aggressive and can often be kept together in a sorority when certain guidelines are followed, such as providing a spacious tank with plenty of hiding spots. In terms of care, bettas are relatively hardy fish and can tolerate a variety of water conditions. They are labyrinth breathers, which means they have a specialized organ that allows them to breathe air from the surface. Hence, they appreciate access to fresh air. Betta fish thrive best in environments with clean, warm water, around 78-82 degree F or 25-28 degree C, and they require regular feeding of high-quality betta-specific pellets or flakes. Overall, betta fish are beloved for their stunning appearance and unique personality traits. They make for captivating pets and can provide hours of enjoyment for aquarium enthusiasts. It's important to provide them with a suitable tank, proper care, and a stress-free environment to ensure their well-being. 2. Neon tetra. The neon tetra is a small and vibrant freshwater fish that is native to the streams and rivers of South America, primarily in the Amazon basin. It is one of the most popular and widely recognized aquarium fish due to its striking appearance. Neon tetras are known for their vibrant, iridescent blue and red colors. A neon blue line runs horizontally along their body, starting from the tip of their snout to the base of their tail, while a bright red stripe extends from the middle of their body to their caudal fin. This combination of colors creates a captivating visual effect. These peaceful and schooling fish have a slender body shape with an average length of around 1 to 1.5 inches, 2.5 to 4 centimeters. Their small size and gentle nature make them suitable for community aquariums. Neon tetras are relatively undemanding in terms of care. They prefer well-maintained tanks with stable water parameters and a temperature range of approximately 72 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 27 degrees Celsius. Providing them with a planted aquarium that mimics their natural habitat, along with subdued lighting, can enhance their colors and create a more comfortable environment. They are omnivorous and will readily accept a varied diet, including high-quality flakes, micro-pellets, frozen or live foods such as brine shrimp or daphnia. A balanced diet is essential for their health and vibrant coloration. Keeping neon tetras in groups of at least 6 is recommended, as they are social and prefer the company of their own kind. A larger group creates a more natural behavior and enhances their schooling behavior, which is a captivating sight in the aquarium. Because of their peaceful nature and remarkable colors, neon tetras are a popular choice for aquarists of all levels of expertise. They contribute to the lively and captivating ambiance of freshwater aquariums, making them a delightful addition to any community tank. 3. Guppies. Guppies are small, colorful freshwater fish that are popular among aquarium enthusiasts, particularly beginners. They come in a wide range of vibrant colors and various tail shapes, making them a visually appealing choice for aquariums. The males are usually more striking and colorful than females, showcasing vibrant hues such as shades of red, orange, yellow, blue, and green. Their long, flowing fins add to their beauty. Female guppies, on the other hand, tend to have more subdued colors and shorter fins. Guppies are known for their active and lively behavior, constantly swimming around the tank. They are also live bearers, meaning they give birth to fully formed fry rather than laying eggs. This reproductive trait, along with their small size, makes them fascinating to observe as they give birth to numerous offspring. In terms of care, guppies are relatively undemanding. They require a well-maintained aquarium with clean, well-oxygenated water and a temperature range of around 72 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 to 28 degrees Celsius. They are adaptable to a range of water conditions, but it is important to maintain stable water parameters and perform regular water changes to ensure their well-being. Guppies are omnivorous, meaning they eat both plant matter and small organisms. They readily accept high-quality flakes, pellets, and a variety of supplemental foods, such as brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. A balanced diet is important to keep them healthy and vibrant. These sociable fish thrive when kept in groups, preferably with a higher female-to-male ratio to avoid excessive male attention and aggression. A well-planted aquarium with hiding places and open swimming spaces provides an ideal environment for guppies. Due to their striking appearance, ease of care, and lively nature, guppies have become one of the most popular species in the aquarium hobby. They bring color, activity, and enjoyment to any community tank. 4. Angelfish. Angelfish, scientifically known as Pterophyllum scalari, are elegant and striking freshwater fish that have captivated aquarium enthusiasts for years. They are native to the Amazon River basin in South America and are part of the cichlid family. Angelfish have a distinct body shape with tall, triangular bodies and long, flowing fins. Their most recognizable feature is their graceful, vertical, and extended dorsal and anal fins. Colors and patterns can vary greatly, with variations that include silver, black, marbled, and various shades of orange, yellow, and red. These fish are known for their peaceful temperament, which makes them suitable for community tanks with compatible tankmates. However, keep in mind that individual personalities can differ, and some angelfish may exhibit territorial behavior, particularly during breeding, or if they feel threatened. In terms of care, angelfish prefer spacious aquariums that provide vertical swimming space. A tank size of at least 20 gallons, 75 liters, is recommended for a pair of angelfish. Water temperature should be maintained between 75-82 degree F, 24-28 degrees C, depending on the specific variety. Angelfish appreciate a well-maintained environment with adequate filtration and regular water changes to ensure optimal health. These fish are omnivorous, and their diet should include a variety of high-quality flakes or pellets, along with occasional live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, bloodworms, or daphnia. A balanced diet helps maintain their vibrant colors and overall well-being. Breeding angelfish can be a rewarding experience for dedicated hobbyists. They are egg-laying fish and practice mouth brooding, with the parents caring for and protecting their eggs and fry. However, successful breeding often requires specific conditions and careful monitoring. Overall, angelfish are highly revered for their beauty, graceful appearance, and peaceful nature. They bring elegance and charm to freshwater aquariums, making them a popular choice for enthusiasts of all levels. 5. Goldfish. Goldfish, known scientifically as Carassius auratus, are one of the most recognizable and beloved freshwater fish species. Originating from East Asia, goldfish have been bred for centuries, resulting in a wide variety of shapes, colors, and features. Typically, goldfish have a rounded body shape, a pair of flowing fins, and a distinctive forked tail. They can range in size from a few inches to several inches long, depending on the specific variety. Colors can differ greatly, with variations such as the classic gold, orange, red, white, black, or even calico patterns. One notable characteristic of goldfish is their ability to adapt to a variety of water conditions, though they prefer cooler temperatures compared to tropical fish. They thrive in unheated tanks or ponds where water temperatures range between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Proper filtration and regular water changes are necessary to maintain optimal water quality. Goldfish are omnivorous, meaning they eat both plant matter and small organisms. While they can be fed high-quality commercial flakes or pellets formulated for goldfish, their diet should also include occasional fresh or frozen treats like bloodworms, brine shrimp, or blanched vegetables. Feeding them in appropriate amounts and avoiding overfeeding is important to prevent health issues. These sociable fish are well suited for community aquariums, but it is crucial to consider their size when selecting tank mates. They tend to produce more waste than other fish species, so a larger tank with adequate filtration is recommended. Additionally, providing plants or decorations for them to explore and hide can enhance their well-being. Goldfish have a long lifespan if properly cared for, with some individuals living for several decades. Their captivating beauty, impressive versatility, and unique personalities make them cherished pets for fish enthusiasts around the world. 6. Corydoras catfish. Corydoras catfish, often referred to as cories, are small and peaceful freshwater catfish that originate from South America. They belong to the Corydoridinae subfamily, which includes numerous species known for their interesting behavior and distinct appearance. Corydoras catfish have a distinctive body shape characterized by a flattened underbelly and a downward-facing mouth. Most species sport a pattern of small bony plates known as scutes covering their bodies, resembling a miniature suit of armor. Their size typically ranges from 1 to 4 inches, 2.5 to 10 centimeters, depending on the specific species. These catfish thrive in aquariums with plenty of hiding spots and a soft substrate like sand or fine gravel, as they often exhibit natural behaviors like sifting through the substrate for food. They are generally peaceful and can be kept in community tanks, alongside other non-aggressive fish species. Corydoras catfish are social and tend to do best when kept in groups. A small school of at least 6 individuals is recommended to promote natural behavior and reduce stress. Providing them with suitable tank mates and a peaceful environment is crucial for their well-being. In terms of care, Corydoras catfish appreciate well-maintained water conditions. This includes regular partial water changes to maintain water quality, as they can be sensitive to poor water conditions. Proper filtration and maintaining a stable temperature around 70–78 degree F, 20–26 degrees C, are also important. These catfish are primarily bottom dwellers and are known for their scavenging behavior. While they will consume leftover food and debris from the lower regions of the aquarium, it is necessary to supplement their diet with sinking food pellets or tablets specifically formulated for catfish. They will also appreciate occasional live or frozen foods like bloodworms or brine shrimp. With their endearing appearance, peaceful nature, and beneficial scavenging behaviors, Corydoras catfish are a popular choice among aquarists. They add activity, charm, and a unique dynamic to community aquariums, making them enjoyable to observe. These are just a few examples of popular aquarium fish in the United States, but there are many other species that are loved by hobbyists. It's important to research the specific care requirements of any fish species you are interested in to ensure you can provide them with a suitable and healthy environment.